Hey, Ben here with Studio on the Lake. Hey, here's something that's a little weird. I decided to do a special. I'm going to be flying down in Iowa for a few weeks, so I thought I'd get this out. Groot, my English Mastiff, that big guy right there, was messing around outside the studio the last couple days. The early snow has started to melt. We're back up in the 40s, in the 50s, and so here's beside the studio. And the last couple days he's been over here barking and growling, and I didn't know what he was up to. I just thought something was over there, but he was really acting up the other day, and so I went ahead and went out to see what he was doing. And this is to give you an idea. These are the leaves in the forest or wooded area beside the studio, and you can see the snow is starting to melt away a little bit on that. So what I'm going to show you here is just amazing. It's astounding, and never seen anything quite like it. So here it is. It's right there in the middle, and zooming down on with it. So the snow had melted. This has been here for quite a while. So it looks to me like a fairy, and he's got an arrow, or she, I don't know. It's got an arrow in its chest, and then the body's been kind of mummified. It's kind of neat, and we must have fairy wars or something going on around here. Looking at it really close, I'll pick it up here in a few minutes, and I'll get some parchment paper from the kitchen and set it on the stump and have a good look at it. But here I just got clearing away some of the leaves and chunks of snow. So it must have been frozen in the snow. I don't know how long it's been there. Obviously, as cold as it was the last 2 or 3 weeks, this has probably been there sometime in the summer. Still got a little bit of color on the wings. And I'm thinking whatever shot that arrow was a little bit bigger than the fairy. So I don't know. I don't know what the heck is going on. Maybe some of you guys out there know what's going on. You can put it down in the comments and let me know. Not sure quite what to do with this. I suppose if someone was interested, I could send it off to the Smithsonian or something. I don't know, find some university somewhere to check it out, because that's kind of unique. So here I took a piece of parchment paper, and you can see it underneath it there, and I put him, I'm calling it a him, what the heck, right? And then Jordy, have you seen anything like this? How about you, Rob? Any of the rest of you guys? Like I said, the arrow is in pretty good shape. The body has been kind of mummified, and the wings are starting to deteriorate a little bit there. But hey, like I said, I'm going to be flying down in Iowa for the next 2 or 3 weeks, and I won't be up north at the house, so I won't be doing a whole lot of carving. But I wanted to get this out so you guys could take a look at it and tell me what you think. Has anybody ever seen anything quite like this? The glitter doesn't quite show on that. So let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and I will get back to carving here in a couple weeks. Hey, thanks a lot. This has been Ben with Studio on the Lake.